Hi children, today we are going to learn 6 mathematics chapter 12 ratio and proportion. In this video we are going to learn unitary method. In this video we are going to cover the topics unitary method and exercise 12.3. First we are going to learn unitary method. What is unitary method? Finding the value of one unit and then using it to find the value of the required number of unit is known as unitary method. For example, look at this picture. There are 4 pens that cost 48 rupees. Now we want to find the cost of one pen, that is 48 divided by 4 means we'll get 12. Now we want to find the cost of 6 pence, that means 6 multiplied with 12 means we'll get 72. There are two steps are very important. The first step, find the value of 1 by division, find the value of many by multiplication. Another example, see, look at this picture. 10 apples equal to 100 rupees. First step, we want to find the 1, isn't it? By division. So first, 1 apple equal to 100 divided by 10 will get 10 rupees. Now we want to find many. That means 6 apples means we have to multiply. That is 10 multiplied with 6 will get 60 rupees. Then another picture is here. Look at this one. There are 5 ice cream equal to 125 rupees. Now we want to find 3 ice cream cost, isn't it? So first we want to find the 1 ice cream cost. Then we can multiply with 3 means we will find the answer, isn't it? So when you find 1 ice cream cost, that is 125 divided by 5 will get 25. Now we are going to find the cost of 3 ice cream means 3 multiplied with 25 will get 75. Example 12.9. A car travels 90 km in 6 hours. How far does it travel in 4 hours? So first write distance travel in 6 hours equal to 900 km. Now we want to find the distance traveled in 1 hour. That means 900 divided by 6 will get 150 km. Now we want to find the distance traveled in 4 hours, that is 150 multiplied with 4 will get 600 km. Example 12.10. The weight of 72 book is 9 kg. First one, what is the weight of 40 such books? So first we want to find weight of 72 books equal to 9 kg. Weight of one book equal to 9 by 72 kg. When you simplify, you will get 1 by 8 kg. Now we want to find weight of but 40 books equal to 1 by 8 multiplied with 40. When you simplify, we'll get 5. So 5 kg. How many books will weight 4.5 kg? 9 kg is the weight of 72 books. Now we are going to find 1 kg is the weight of 72 divided by 9 will get 8 books. Now we want to find 4.5 kg is the weight of book, that is 8 multiplied with 4.5 will get 36 book. Exercise 12.3. First one, a car travels 125 km in 1 by 2 hours. How much time is required to cover 75 kilometers with the same speed? First we write distance covered by the car equal to 125 kilometer. Time taken equal to 2 1 by 2, that is given in mixed fractions, so converted into improper fractions. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2 hours. Now we know that speed equal to distance divided by time taken. That is distance is 125 kilometer and time taken equal to 5 by 2 hours. So when you simplify this, 1 5 is 5 and 25 5s are 125. So now we are going to multiply to 25s are, that is 50. We want to find time taken, that is time taken equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 75 kilometer divided by speed, that is 50 kilometer per hour. When you simplify, we will get 3 by 2. Then write time taken equal to 3 by 2 hours. So when you converted into mixed fraction, that is 1 by 2 hours. Find the distance covered in 4 hours at the same speed. Time equal to 4 hours, speed equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Distance equal to, we know that formula, speed multiplied with time. So 4 hours multiplied with 50 kilometer per hour means 4 50s are 200 kilometer. This fourth one, 6 liters of paint covers an area of 72 meters square. What area will 15 liters of paint cover? 6 liter of paint covers, that is 72 meters squared, and 1 liter of paint equal to 72 divided by 6. When you divide, you will get 12 meters squared. Now we want to find 15 liters of paint will cover, that is 15 multiplied with 12 will get 180 meters squared. How much paint is needed to cover an area of 90 meters squared? 1 liter of paint equal to 12 meters squared. Paint needed to cover an area of 90 meters squared means 90 divided by 12. When you divide, you will get 7.5 liters. Fifth sum, Andraksha earns rupees 120 for 2 hours as a typist. How much money can she earn in 5 days if she works 8 hours each day? Earnings of Andraksha for 2 hours equal to 120. Now we want to find earnings of Andraksha for 1 hour. That means 120 divided by 2 will get 60 rupees. Then earnings of Andraksha for 8 hours, that is 60 multiplied with 8 will get 480 rupees. Now we want to find 5 days, isn't it? Yes, earnings of Andraksha in 5 days, that is 480 multiplied with 5 will get 2400 rupees. Seventh sum, Arjun pays rupees 13,500 as rent for 3 months. How much does he pay for a whole year if the rent remains same? So Arjun pays for 3 months equal to 13,500. Now we want to find for 1 month, isn't it? So Arjun pays for 1 month equal to 13,500 divided by 3 will get 4,500. Now we want to find the whole year, isn't it? Yes, Arjun pays for 12 months. That means 1 year equal to 4,500 multiplied with 12 will get 54,000. Ninth sum. The following ingredients are needed to prepare cake for 10 people. How much of each ingredient will you need for 4 people? That is given in table. That is ingredient. First one, flour, that is 500 gram for 10 people, and for people we want to know, isn't it? Yes. Then second one, oil 400 grams, essence 10 drops, egg 6, baking powder 20 gram, and almonds 100 grams. First one, flour of 10 people equal to 500 grams. First we want to find flour of 1 people equal to 500 divided by 10 will get 50 gram. Now we want to find 4 people. So flour of 4 people equal to 50 multiplied with 4 will get 200 gram. Second one, oil for 10 people equal to 400 grams. Now we want to find oil for 1 people, that is 400 divided by 10. When you simplify, we'll get 40 gram. Now we want to find oil for 4 people, that is 4 multiplied with 40 will get 160 gram. Third one, essence for 10 people equal to 10 drops. Now we want to find essence for 1 people equal to 10 divided by 10 will get 1 drop. Now we want to find essence for 4 people equal to 4 multiplied 1 will get 4 drops. Fourth one, eggs for 10 people equal to 6. Now we want to find the egg for 1 people equal to 6 by 10. When you simplify, you will get 3 by 5. So divide, you will get it is 0.6. Now we want to find the x for 4 people, that is 4 multiplied with 0.6, you will get 2.4x. Fifth one, baking powder for 10 people equal to 20 gram. Baking powder for 1 people equal to 20 divided by 10 will get 2 gram. Now we want to find the baking powder for 4 people equal to 2 multiplied with 4 will get 8 gram. Sixth one, almonds for 10 people equal to 100 gram, and almonds for 1 people equal to 100 divided by 10 will get 10 grams. Now we want to find the almonds for 4 people equal to 10 multiplied with 4 will get 40 gram. Thank you.